Alright, so now we're back in the shop. You know, now we know kind of what tools are what, we know kind of the different levels of tint, laws, stuff like that. Now, obviously what we didn't explain, because we didn't have the tint with us, we're putting on Stratus. Strata? Stratus. I was right the first time. So what Stratus is obviously it's the top level tint, best of the best. Now, the tint here is covered by warranty. Is that correct?
Yeah, lifetime transferable warranty.
So, when you say transferable, is that say, oh, I bought another vehicle? Does that same tint get put on, or is that say, oh, it's scratched, you fix it? Do you want to kind of explain?
Yeah, so transferable warranty means that if you sell your vehicle, your warranty will go to your next buyer.
Okay, right, because I know, like, say, some auto body shops cover the lifetime of the bodywork until you sell a vehicle.
We do it even beyond.
Even beyond. Okay, so that's something that's really good to know. Now, we got this window here with some Gila tint. Is that correct? That's basically what you get from Walmart, your starter do-it-yourself kit. Now, some of us, like me, I like to I'm a do-it-yourselfer. So this tint here was done by the Gila. Obviously now, as you can see, it's starting to fade. I guess that's the correct terminology. It's starting to fade. It's starting to turn purple is what it's doing, which is a big difference from our Stratus tint. So why would it be fading? Is it because that's a cheaper tint that doesn't really offer much protection for your vehicle?
Yeah, so basically what it does is the ultraviolet light is breaking down what the film is made of.
Right.
So that causes the charcoal-based coloration in it to break down and turn purple.
Right. So now, basically, so when you're seeing a vehicle drive down the road, it's not purple like that. It's because it's cheap. It doesn't offer much protection. It doesn't help you in the long run. With Stratus is, once again, we're referring to this a lot. Stratus is the best of the best. Won't break down. If it does, that's something covered under warranty. Is there anything else we need to know about Stratus?
No, that it's just the best. More better than Pinnacle.
So we got one of these fancy dancy tint meter enforcer. So what it does is it tells us what level tint is our windows. Obviously, you want to turn this on, help us out here.
Just
just slides over the glass, tells us what coverage is on our tint, and this will be able to show you, right, proof that what's it showing there, Tyler?
It reads 15%.
15%. So that's something that would be on the front window, correct?
No.
No?
You get 50 on the front.
50 on the front.
So this is illegal tint.
Right.
You could have this on the back of SUVs or trucks.
Okay. Right, so this is something, now that you see a real life sample of a actual window, obviously I'm sure you can tell it's purplized, right? We have some chips, tears, because it's old. It's not good anymore. It's not good anymore. Now, can we measure our Stratus to show, or do we have to wait till it's on glass?
We have to wait.
All right, so we'll do another measurement once it's on glass. If you can, we'll bring you in, have a closer look. There's some ripples. It's starting to bubble, obviously to fade. So by getting Stratus, we're eliminating, right? It's something that you won't have to worry about.
Yeah, like, I mean, it can happen, but then that's what the warranty is for.
Right.
It's just to back that up.
Right. Now, whereas this, the warranty is basically until your package is open from Walmart.
Pretty much.
Right. So this is something, do it in a weekend, make it look nice. That's it. What we're doing it right, by professional installers here at Future Tint, by our buddy Tyler. It's going to make your vehicle look amazing. It's going to offer great protection, and it's just overall going to last the life of your vehicle.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it. So now we got the information of the tint. We know about warranty. I never knew there was warranty. That's something new to me. We obviously, now we know what tint on a window looks like, especially one that's faded, crappy. Just don't buy it. Save yourself the time, money, effort. Because by the time you buy enough rolls to do your vehicle, a few years down the road, you're replacing this, right? You know, this has only been on the vehicle I took it from for a matter of a few years. So by the time you replace this twice, you're almost at the same price as the best of the best.
Yeah, and we've had a customer have this on his car for, I think it was 32 years, or something like that. Anyways, but it was a long time. It was on an old Corvette, and it's still gray. It's not purplizing.
So basically, as fresh as the day you got it.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to take you over to the vehicle. We're going to start showing the installation process. But in terms of installation process, there's two different methods. Is that correct?
Yeah, there's for the install wise, there's two different kinds of methods. There's the hand cutting, or there's the plotting, and that's basically a knifeless install. Is that we don't touch the blade on the outside of the vehicle.
Right. So basically, when you say plotting, that's just a big fancy machine that cuts the shape of the window. If you want to hold that up, kind of just like this one here, we already ran it through as a sample to make sure that it fit, it's correct, and the best part is they have the spec for the Mazda Protege 5. So, without further ado, we're going to take you off to the vehicle and start installing the tint.